In this experiment, I will show you some phenomena caused by the refraction of light. Put a coin into a cup. Move the cup forward until you can't see the coin inside. Fill the cup with water. Can you see the coin again? Put a chopstick into a glass of water. What do you observe? Try to look at the print of a book through a thick glass block. What do you observe?